Good morning, day 64. I'm out here with MaGellan and we are walking the Blue Blaze Road from the refuge to hook back up with the AT where I left off, and we are slackpacking northbound about 12 miles, and pretty soon we're gonna get to the 400-mile mark. Yay! Look at that cloud cover on part of that distant mountain. That is wild. I always wonder when I'm looking back like that, like, is that one of the balds that we walked across yesterday or the day before? Oh, it's really pretty. We've just hiked up this meadow, and MaGellan is a very good, steady pace setter. I'm trying to keep my feet as dry as possible. As we're walking up the meadow path, the views are stunning. That tree is so big and wide. This tree is so cool. Check it out. Wow, we have just come upon one of those places where like 80% of the forest just got smushed down. So this is really thick here, and we think that there's a new blowdown because there are, right where MaGellan has stopped is brand new. It's not cut through. Sometimes you gotta get on the ground. I'm gonna give this a go. I don't see where I can land easily. Shit. Oh my God. Okay, I did it. This definitely ranks in the category of weird things you see on the AT. What the heck? Rhododendron tunnel. The sister of the owner of the refuge was telling me about this section, how it used to just be, well, you can see there's so many pine trees, but so many down. And she was saying that she doesn't like coming here as much because it's so sad. Look where I am, 400 miles. Look, 400 miles. I've hiked 400 miles. Yay. Look at this sign for Jones Falls. It's just a 1/10 Blue Blaze, but somebody has confirmed, not far, do it. It's pretty gnarly in terms of the blowdowns, but somebody just told us that the trail has been cleared. I'm still on the access trail, but wow, that rock face, the water is just very dramatic over it. These falls are amazing. Along this section of the trail, we can just hear the river. It's the Elk River, and it's just a really nice sound. So when we get a little closer, I'll see if I can catch it. Ooh. There's the Elk River. Now we really have sight of the river. Wow. Cool. I don't think we've been to a river this size since Hot Springs and the Pigeon River? French Broad.
Yeah.
French Broad. Which was a lot bigger than this. So the Elk River was flooded during Helene. There's a lot of trash in with the downed trees. And then the river is just over that little plant berm. And the trail that we're walking seems new. Like this is possibly not where the trail was before. This is a tricky little section. Looks like there's maybe some more recent blowdowns. This lonely boot came out of the river, and people have just left it here in the middle of the trail. It's just, some of this is just trash. Just, wow. Mountain laurel in full bloom. It's time for the daily airing out of the feet. We have come to Mountaineer Falls. Across the water, and wow. Most of our hike today has had big sections like this where the forest has just laid down. We were both saying that we are pretty desensitized to the destruction, but this part is quite dramatic. We are sitting on a bench. Check out this view. So that is Hump Mountain, where I hiked yesterday, and also Round Bald. I hiked all the way from over there to right here on this bench. Look at that pretty bridge. Well, here we are at Forest Service Road 293. We've reached the end of our 12-mile day. It took us actually a tiny bit under 8 hours. So thanks to MaGellan, my pace was 1.5 miles an hour today because she's very good at keeping us on track. And there was a ton of Hurricane Helene damage. I didn't even video but the tiniest fraction of it. It was so much. And we are feeling good, and we're waiting for April, owner of the refuge, to come get us from just a few minutes away and take us back. Look what I found after my hike today at the hostel. Somebody else from UVA.